making some mac and cheese on camera. The reason is because we say cheese and we represent the cheese fam. Okay? And of course, let's get on to the video. So step number one.
So when we're on step number one, like I said last film, aroni,
like macaroni and cheese. So you get some nice, just normal tap water. Boil it on your stove. Or if you don't have a stove, just use your fireplace or whatever. And yes, macaroni. When it's all done boiling, you put the macaroni and cheese in there. So yeah, I'll see you when it's done boiling.
And now, step number two,
Just dump this all in. Okay, we're good. Whoa! Oh, that looks so cool. Oh my god. Okay. So now we gotta turn it down to low. So you gotta turn it all the way down to L. Now let's wait 10 minutes and I'll check back in 10 minutes. See ya. 1/4 of milk right here. And now we also need butter. So yeah, let's just roll this time lapse really quick. I mean slow-mo. So 3, 2, 1. Now we gotta pour a fourth of milk, into this 1/4 cup. If you don't have one of these, just go to the store and click buy one, okay? So yeah.
Okay, so now that we have the milk, now all we gotta do is pour the milk. So
Bring it over here, and all we gotta do is just dump 1/4 of milk. Oh my god. Well,
I believe so. That might be 1/4 of milk.
all you have to do is just set it on your counter and wait till it's all done boiling. Okay, so check on it real quick. Looks pretty good, but it's not perfect. Okay, guys. Oh my god, it's very hot. Oh my god. Okay. Well, let's just dump all the stuff in there. Okay. We can definitely add some, say, cheese in there, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I think we got most of the noodles in there. Well, there's only one noodle, but how are we going to get it? Okay, now that we've got it, we put it back in the grate. And now that we got all the liquids out, now we can add the milk, butter, and cheese. So, let's put the milk in. Oh my god. That was oddly satisfying. I don't know why. Okay, so now we need the butter. Stick of butter. Just a stick of butter. There. Well, not a full stick. It's 1/4 of a stick. And now we have our cheese. And of course, let's just dump it in. Oh, the cheese. This is the best part we've all been waiting for. The say cheese. Because on this channel we all love cheese. And oh my god, it's getting very orange. And we're out of cheese. Okay. So next step. It all up. You can add like pepper, peas, real cheese, whatever you guys want. But we're just doing this original pack. So yeah, we're gonna try dumping this in here. I really do not know how to do this. Okay. I did it the easy way. Yeah, you guys can skip forward this part. Yeah, cut. So, this is like really good. And now we're going for our second bite on camera. Man, that's some real good say cheese right there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you guys can make mac and cheese at home by yourself. Goodbye.